What's up, guys? Welcome to a new video today. I'm going on a run in the amazing Florida weather. Turning around here, nice 20 minutes out, 20 minutes back for a good 45 minutes. Feeling good. We're heading back to the room now. I'm going to change into a bathing suit and I just want to jump into that pool. Okay, so you guys might remember that yesterday I was having that issue with the drone where it said aircraft disconnected. I kept getting this weird error message where it said aircraft disconnected. I think I fixed it. See, you gotta put your phone in airplane mode when you're flying the drone and there's not a good signal. Because if there's not a good signal, your phone's like hunting for an LTE network to connect to, like hunting for a satellite. So in that case, it's not connecting to your drone. So yeah, I don't know, I really hope this works. Holy moly, I just flew my drone for like a good half hour. No problems whatsoever. All I had to do was put my phone in airplane mode. Seriously, that was the best drone footage I have ever got. So we're back in the room right now. Next,
are you ready to go?
Yes. Now we're going to be heading to the circus. That's right. This is like a water circus that's in town. We are very excited. I just took a shower. I'm feeling really good. I'm also feeling really sunburned. I really should have put more sunscreen on.
Who told you that? I told him that. I told him that.
Got to stay hydrated. We were very sad when Barnum and Bailey's circus ended, so we're super excited to be here. We're here, we're at the tent. This place is so cool. It doesn't even feel like a tent. It feels like a building. Anyways, I gotta put the camera away because I'm really not allowed to have this in here. I will see you guys after the show. Italia is ever your town, you should definitely go. They've got like water and stuff. I don't know.